In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use PowerPoint as a teleprompter. First, I'll start with a blank slide, then I'll add text box to the middle, and then paste in my speech. From there, I'll select the text box, increase the size of the font to 50 so it's easier to read from distance, and make the font white. I'll go to Design, Format Background, and make the background black. Next, I'll add the animation that will move the text up as a teleprompter would. Select Lines. You can see the text is going down. I want to go up. Go to Effect Options, select Up. I'll test this out by pressing F5 and clicking. You can see that the text actually stops partway through. It doesn't go through the whole speech. So I'll exit out and we'll make an adjustment to the animation. So I'll zoom out to 15%. That allows me to see the whole text box. In the middle, there is a red arrow and a green arrow. I'll click on the red arrow and it turns to dots. I'll drag that dot up until the bottom of the text box is within the slide. Now I'll press F5 and test it again. It goes through the whole speech, but it goes way too fast. So we'll make a couple of adjustments. I'll exit out, click on Animation pane, click the down arrow, select Effect Options, go to Timing, and I'll set a delay of 2 seconds so I have a little bit of time to prepare after I click the button. And I'll set the duration to be 45 seconds. That'll give me enough time to go through the speech at a normal pace. Go to Effects, Smooth Start and Smooth End. We'll take those down to 0. Click OK. I'll press F5 again and begin the speech. After a 2-second delay, you can see that it goes at a good pace at which I can speak to. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.